What's up guys, welcome back to Joevestor Trades. My name is Joseph, and in today's video I'm going to be going over why you should be buying Palantir stock, ticker symbol PLTR. Palantir looks very good on the higher time frame, so I'm going to be showing you guys the technicals and showing you exactly why you should be buying and where you should be looking to sell. This is a swing trade, but it also works out for a long-term play as well. If you want to enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading content like this. Also, if you want to be a part of a trading community where we can talk about any of the stocks you're interested in buying or even hopping into some of my plays, make sure to check out the Discord channel in the description down below. Alrighty guys, so right here we have Palantir pulled up on the chart, and right now I want to show you guys first thing that the support Palantir has formed over the course of their run. And if we look at the chart, we'll see that their major support line is right at about $22.80. This is key because, as we can see, Palantir has never really quite fell underneath this support line. They had a nice bounce off of this early on and continue to show support. Even when they fell from 45 of a high, they fell back to the support line and ultimately found more support. So given the fact that it's right there on the chart again, this is a great buying opportunity because of how strong this support line is. And if we zoom in, also we'll notice that the RSI is oversold, so this is a good buying opportunity. Last time, if we look when the RSI was oversold, right around here, it matched almost right with the support line, and then we had that nice move to the upside. So another thing that I want to point out is their resistance level. It's kind of been in a range. As we can see, this is right around where their upper resistance is, right around 29 and some change. And once we broke above that resistance over here and anticipation of demo day, we can see that it got a nice move to the upside. After that, they kind of form a double top on the chart, and this is ultimately what sent it back down because this is a bearish pattern. So given the fact that it's back in this range, kind of trading sideways for a while, we want to be buying around the support levels of the range and then selling as it gets towards the top. We can see that the last time it bounced from the bottom, which was right around here, it ran to a high of 27.50. But before that, it actually ran from the support all the way back up to about 25 and some change, where it kind of chopped for a few days. Now, given the fact that it has done this over and over, I'm looking to sell Palantir right around this area where it was starting to chop, and then maybe ride a few of my shares or contracts up here. So this is a great buying opportunity. You want to be buying here. You could buy a lot of shares. This is a relatively cheap stock, so shares would be a nice move. But if you can't afford to buy a lot of shares, contracts are also good. So I'll show you guys Robinhood and show you exactly what contract I'm looking at. So right here we have Palantir, and a contract that I find interest in is April 9th. And April 9th isn't that far out, but given the fact that it's right on that support line, I do think they're going to start moving to the upside in the next few days. So April 9th is comfortable for me. And if we can see that the 23 strike, or you could even go 23.5, but the 23 strike looks better because it has more buyers in this contract already. As we can see, the theta is very low and it has a nice delta as well. And the bid and ask aren't wide at all. So this is a nice contract to hop into if you're looking to play the bounce off of the support level, ride it up to about 25 and some change. But if you're buying shares, honestly, I would just hold those shares for a while because I do see Palantir going up even further in the future. Now, if you're looking to play Palantir off this bounce and then ride it back up to the top of this range and maybe even out of the range, I would go with a further out expiration. If we zoom out, we'll also know that Palantir has earnings in May. So we may see a earnings run up closer to May. So if you're looking to play that run up, then I would buy the May 21st or even June 18th contracts. If you go out to June 18th, this is plenty of time. They're not too expensive, and something right out of the money would be fine, like this 26 strike right here for about $200. So let me know what you guys think about Palantir in the comment section down below. They've been kind of trading sideways for a while, but you want to be buying stocks on the bottom support levels while they're trading in range, and then kind of ride the momentum up. And as I said before, the RSI is oversold, so this is a nice sign to go long on the stock. So as I said earlier in the video, Palantir is right on that $23 support level today, and this makes it a great buying opportunity. As I said before, we're looking for it to go back up to about $25.50 and then possibly back up to $27.50. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss when I upload, and I want to know if you guys will be playing Palantir in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.